Hi guys, it is 8:30 and I have woken up for a hair appointment. We'll tell you more in a bit. I need some chai to open my eyes. Good morning. Okay, good morning peeps. Now that I have some chai in my system, I feel like I can actually talk to you. Before that I was like, kidhar hu main? But another sip for courage. No. Um, I am actually up early because I'm going to get my hair colored and cut. I'm very excited. It's been 6 months. So, when I had short hair, I used to get a cut in, like not color, but a cut at least every 3 weeks or 4 weeks. And now obviously that has changed with the pandemic. I didn't go for a haircut for over a year, and then this year I managed to go in Feb. And since I haven't been, because I've really been avoiding going to the salon, but if there's one thing that I hate, it's my hair being tied, because as you guys know, I have that thing where now I don't like my hair on my neck and it's always tied, and I'm just so bored of it and blah, and I'm like, I need to do something with my hair. That's why I've woken up early for my hair. And yeah, so just gonna quickly do this, and we have a lot planned for the day, but let's just see how much we get done, because usually my hair takes like 2-3 hours, I think, or more. I don't know, depending on the color. But yeah, I'm gonna change things up, and let me show you what it looks like right now first. So for a quick before and after, you can see the base is still colored. I do have, like, this is where the color starts from, but we want to kind of mix it up and lighten it maybe, and obviously reduce the bulk, because there's like this portion needs to go so that my hair falls better, and then maybe go like a little shorter because I don't like this touching me anywhere. So yeah, this is the before. So yeah, quickly just going to hop into a cab and run to the salon. Also, I'm going to show you guys my outfit. I got to wear this. I've made this, but I haven't had the chance to wear it because it's been so hot. But I know the salon is always freezing and I always feel cold, so I was like, let me wear my long sleeved jumper today. So this is what I want. He's still on like Sherry's old time where we would just about wake up now. So wearing my ripped jeans and this, and then we have more tie-dye here. It's like a dukaan, guys. I have a tie-dye dukaan. What do you guys think? Gonna come closer so you can see it? That's the look. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, Mr. Talwar. See the, yeah. So even though the body is there, see this here top. So it's still reduced compared to what we had. And this now I feel is ridiculous. Like if I straighten it, it would be below my shoulders. Like,
But are you enjoying this? Right?
no.
Gonna go short, no?
Back to yeah.
Come on. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I don't mean to be rude. Yeah. I'm just a little different from all these dudes. Okay. They riding waves, me, I'm up on a cruise. Yeah. You feel like me, then you got nothing to prove. I see him trying to do what I do. Yeah. Even Mick Jagger couldn't move like a.
It is 2 o'clock. Lots of people have come and gone. I am almost done. Last leg of the color. So should be done soon.
Sour got my power from the Beatitudes, and we did it the long way. Check out the latitude. I'm unapologetically fly. Don't wonder why. That's just my attitude. Yeah, that's right.
Okay, folks, hair done. It is finally like 4 o'clock almost, and I'm rushing home because I have to take Mars to the vet. I will show you guys my hair properly in light. Right now you can't see anything. except for the cut. We've majorly thinned it, but yeah, I'll show you like a full proper like unveil as I go home. But I'm quickly gonna run up, get Mars, and take him to the vet, and then come back and show this to you. Wow, what a clear day. Isn't it a clear day? Are you guys ready for the final reveal? Ta-da! So it is like I got highlights, unlike the last time where I just had the money piece. And it's much shorter, obviously. I've cut off about like 4 or 5 inches because it was here and that was bothering me. This is the back. Really like it. We've also thinned it a lot because my hair grows really fast, and yeah, I'm loving it. What are your thoughts, guys? Of course, Rohit really flipped it in, out, all that, but I really wouldn't advise going to a vet right after your hair appointment, because I had to hold mask, carry mask, put him in the cab. I have been sweating like a maniac and just, you know, tucking my hair back like this, and all the pizzazz is gone, but it's still very cool. And also look at this. I don't know why I bother with doing my nails ever, because this is exactly what happens to me when I leave the salon. Like this hand is perfect, this hand is terrible now. I don't know, can you like redo one hand in a different color and one hand in one color? Is that a trend right now? I don't know. Comment below if it is, because then I will do that to at least have some nail polish on my hand. So yeah, I got okay, I'm gonna pick this up so you guys can see me. So I got a mani-pedi after 6 months. The last time I got one was when I colored my hair and cut my hair in February, and I've been itching to do this because I love like coloring my hair. Let me show you guys this in the sunlight. Can you see it? Can you see it? So yeah, I'm quite loving it. What are your thoughts on this? It's very like chic and sleek right now because it's obviously like smoothened and blow dried and whatever, but let's see, after wash my hair will be bigger and cooler and curlier as usual. But yeah, I'm famished. I have eaten nothing. I think someone sent me some baked goods, so gonna eat those now. Have some chai.
Friend of me, any me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Friend of me, any me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. Friend of me, any me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me.
Okay, sorry. You are angry with mommy. You're angry with mommy. Baked goods sent by Blue Tokai. Thank you guys. Very hungry. Thank God for this right now. But I'm going to share something funny with you while I eat. This is not mukbang, but while I took Mars for a walk after the vet, all his friends, and I don't mean doggy friends, I mean human friends, they were like, mask के साथ कौन है आपको पहचाना नहीं, because of my new hair. And I was like, okay, this is a good sign, because I still hadn't like come home and taken off my mask and seen my hair like properly after the salon. And at least 3 people were like, oh my god, it looks so cool, so that's a good sign, I guess. So right now I'm gonna stuff my face, then I'm gonna shower, then I'm gonna make an early dinner because I'm absolutely exhausted and I feel like I've been sweating and I've been carrying Mars and been at the vet and whatever. I'm dying to take a shower, but I'm so hungry. Hello, Scary Chef Sherry is back, and she's not got a chef's hat, she's got a towel, because I feel like when you fry stuff after you wash your hair, if the smell gets into your hair and your hair stinks of food, right? Don't you feel like that? So I'm gonna be frying some stuff right now. Not frying, but grilling. I'm making a grilled cheese but with scrambled egg, and someone sent me this truffle butter actually, so I thought it'd be nice to do like a truffle butter scrambled egg with cheese in this yummy bread. So here's what we're gonna use. That's the truffle butter, some bread, some eggs, some milk and some regular butter. Okay, so I really suck at breaking eggs. I can never get this right. If you guys have any tips for me, please leave them in the comments, because this is something scary Chef Sherry struggles with. Not great. Got in some chilkas which I will remove. We're gonna add some of the truffle butter. Then we're basically gonna take the bread, add some cheese to the bread. Melto is the best cheese for grilled cheese, guys, because everything melts. And then you want to basically put the eggs that you've done on the bigger side. And then you want to take this guy and just plop it on top like this. Now I'm going to use this grill pan, which is not great, but it is what I have. Put a little bit of olive oil so that the butter doesn't burn. A nice dollop of butter. And when you turn it over, it's gonna look yummy like this. It is kind of burnt, but I like mine like that. New episode of Hospital Playlist. Check. Yummy dinner. Check. Greedy dog. Check. So guys, I'm quickly gonna eat my dinner so that I can undo my hair and then just chill and watch the rest of the episode and hang with my roommate.
와이프 병원에 친구 보러 오는데
Lies, lies, lies. Mazu, do you think they caught our lies? So that part, the dinner part, was actually filmed yesterday. How many of you even noticed like my turban hairline and thought it was different or not? I actually did all the rest of it today, and my plan was initially to kind of start vlogging from yesterday and go into today and end in the evening, but I felt like it was a bit boring, so I kind of changed the order from this morning and I put that in, and I wanted to see how many of you actually caught it. Did you guys catch it? Also, I didn't have any nail polish in my hands, and my hands were in those shorts. Did you catch it? Also, let this be a lesson for you to not believe anything you see on the internet, because we're all a bunch of liars, including this boy. This boy lies with his eyes. So yeah, I mean, don't really believe anything you see on the internet, guys, because a lot of people edit vlogs, a lot of people change things around, and we show you what we want to show you. So let this be a lesson for you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you got pranked and didn't catch my bluff, because if you did, the joke's on me. Well, yeah, if you did or didn't, it doesn't matter. Just give the video a thumbs up, comment below with what you think of my cool new hair. Not this right now, like look at the size of my ponytail, can you see that? But like when it's styled and cool and all that stuff. See you guys, bye.